We have my friend James arriving with all our front runner goodies that we've just purchased. Part of that is a front runner Slimline 2 roof rack for an FJ Cruiser that we're going to be installing. We're not professionals, we've never done this before. We're just going to try and assemble it and see how it goes. And this is a video just showing the installation of a Slimline 2 front runner roof rack. Part of our front runner order included a prep table as well as a camp table. So we're just unboxing these now and we're going to set them up so that we can install the roof rack on them. We're busy unboxing the feet now for the roof rack. These we're going to assemble on there. What we've got inside here are the instructions for installing the feet. We've got a packet of screws and nuts, and it looks like it's all been signed off by somebody called Johan, and it's got his individual signature there. Some of the tools we're going to be using for this install include some methylated spirit and a rag. We've also got some silicone to waterproof the holes. We've got a tape measure. We've got a size 10 and a size 13 socket, as well as a 4mm Allen key. James and I are going to get cracking on this. We've just cleaned out all the spaces on top of the roof of the FJ. I've had a roof rack before, so we haven't had to remove the plastic covers. We've given it a nice clean with the mats. We're about to start fitting the feet. We've just siliconed all the holes, mounted the brackets, as well as the 8mm screws, the washers and spring washers, and we're about to do the other side. Unfortunately, we didn't get the front runner spanner. It does make life a lot easier. So we're going to set up the tray for the front runner Slimline 2. Inside we've got the wind deflector and some packaging. We've got all the various slats. Again, we've got the instructions. We're going to put this together and get this on top of the roof. So we have the wind deflectors here, which we're going to try center and mount with nuts, washers and the bolts that they've supplied. We've just got to tighten all these screws now and the rack should be done. We've just finished up our install. It took a lot longer than 60 minutes. It was pretty easy going, the instructions were clear. The rack went on nice and easily. I think we did an okay job. We're going to drive the vehicle, test it out and do some tightening. But overall it was pretty easy to do and it feels like a solid rack, so I think we're going to be pretty happy with it.
Yeah, and to be fair, I mean, we weren't taking a little bit of footage, so we did spend a bit of extra time. So yeah, but it fits together very smartly. I'm impressed.